Video, 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 video. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my inconsistent fucking channel with 30 subscribers. I'm sorry that I'm so inconsistent, guys, but as you may know, I do work and I do a lot of content for other people. I edit content for other people, and I'm just busy, and I'm always thinking about marketing and strategies for the client that I have. So it can really take up a lot of my thought time and just really executing time, because to me that's just more important, you know, than to make content. I'm not saying that this isn't important, because obviously my mission with making content is to help people discover something they didn't know about marketing or whatever, saving money, because I have other videos that I talk about saving money. To me, my goal is always to help people with whatever amount of content pieces I come out with on YouTube that are mine. And yeah, if I haven't been consistent with you guys, I'm sorry. I'm trying. Maybe I should make realistic goals, like once a fucking week. Like one video a week, one good video. Because another thing about me, guys, I know you want me to jump right into what we're gonna talk about based off the title, but I don't like putting out videos that are just like raw like that. I want to kind of edit them, you know, and that takes time too. So it's kind of about playing out like what matters, you know. I'm trying to balance like this matters, that matters, and I also have a kid, so I'm always like being a dad too. It's just life. But anyways, guys, to go back to this video, guys. Look, some of you guys may know this already. Maybe you don't. But as 2021 continues to happen, and we're going 2022 soon, then 2023, 24, video is only gonna be more important as we go forward. Not saying photo isn't important, not saying blogs are not important, I'm not saying other types of marketing isn't important, but video fucking matters in marketing. Okay, let me explain why. Because people want to immerse themselves in an experience. They want to be a part of the brand, guys. And I'm not saying either, again, that photos don't work, because I have photographer friends and, you know, people that write, and I don't want to put them down. Their shit matters too. It's very important in their respective field or platform or where that belongs. But video is kind of universal. Video can be anywhere. You can fucking put videos anywhere. You know what I'm saying? And so can the other things, but video is just more interactive. Video, motion. You know, I want to not leave. I don't want to leave that out either, because I know I'm being very specific with video. But anything with motion, guys, like that shit matters. I really can't go fucking so deep into the why people like videos, but it's like they can see it, they can hear it, maybe they can even smell it if you shoot the video right. You know, if it's a pizza or some shit like that, like people just love videos. There was actually a statistical thing that I saw the other day about marketing, about how people nowadays, they prefer video. They trust a brand, a company with video. You know what I'm saying? And that's just very important to understand as a business owner, because you need to be putting videos out there. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube. And you might be thinking like, fuck, I don't have time for any of that, right? Like, that's why I have a lot of empathy for you guys, and I just want to make these videos to hopefully help one of you guys out, because I know how hard it can be to make videos. Guys, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's just very time consuming depending how you want them, how they'll fit your brand. And another thing is strategizing them. Like, there's a lot of things that go into making the right video blueprint for your business. Every business is different, so everyone needs a different strategy and blueprint. And I just really want to keep stressing this out. Like, for now, I think businesses should just make videos. However you can, pull out your phone and click record, you know, and with whatever you got. Nowadays, the new iPhones have all these crazy lens, like I think wide lens and all this shit. Like, that's cool. You do that. You don't, like, I don't think you need a crazy high production quality video for everything. I don't think that. You know what I'm saying? Would it be cool to have that? Hell yeah, because now you look more official, more professional, right? And people can interact with it a lot better. They'll feel like they're in a movie or something. But whatever type of video you can put out there, guys, that will help. It just does. You know what I'm saying? We humans just love movies and videos and stuff like that. And I think it will help your marketing mix. But yeah, it's like, it might sound like a lot, you know, having to post on all these platforms, but you know, this is why you also got to understand as a marketer or a business owner, like, where is my audience at the most, and where should I be focusing my content on the most? You know, don't stress yourself with what I just said about you having to post on all these platforms. I mean, you should be posting because you want to stay relevant. That way you can have continuous business and future business with different types of people on different platforms. But yeah, like, just focus on what platform matters for you the most and be posting on that consistently. It's just video. That's really what's moving forward. That's what's pushing the competition forward. You know, if you're a business that's just out there, a service business or whatever it is that you do, and you don't have video in your strategy, you're not using any of this, it can possibly be bad in the future for you. You know what I'm saying? Because the way things are moving, the way people consume content, like, it's all video. A lot of businesses are sleeping. They've been sleeping about social media. They've been sleeping about video. They've been sleeping about having a better website. They're all stuck with their current clients that they have, and they don't notice that there's a new world coming up, and you just have to adapt. You know, there's millennials that are coming up. There's younger people that are coming up, and all they fucking do is watch videos. Just from what I know, family, friends, like, they're always on TikTok. They're always on Instagram, YouTube, watching videos. You know, it's so rare that someone's just fucking watching pictures all fucking day. And if you are, that would fucking blow my fucking mind, because I'd get so bored. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully it helped you guys and understand and kind of create a concept in your head about why video is important. You know, the next video I'm gonna try to post this about what platforms you should be using for your videos. You know what I'm saying? Because I did talk about a little bit about you need to be posting on each platform, but I want to save this for another video about why each platform matters and why each platform deserves its respect in different ways. Okay, so guys, if you haven't subscribed and you want to keep hearing about my video marketing strategies or just marketing in general, or maybe saving money, you know what I'm saying? Because I do be talking about saving money sometimes. I don't know if I'm gonna be posting more of that anytime soon. I feel like maybe I should just stick to talking about what I fucking actually practice every day. I do talk about saving money though, because I do that every day. You know what I'm saying? But it's like, who do I want in my YouTube channel? You know what I'm saying? Like, who do I want? Do I want people that want to save money, or do I want business owners? Like, no, I think I'm gonna stick to fucking business owners or people that just want to learn marketing and what I know about video and all that stuff. Don't sleep on video. Tomorrow, day one, pull out your phone, film that burger if that's what you sell. Film yourself plumbing, talk about plumbing. I don't fucking know. Like, whatever you do, make videos about it, and we'll save topics for another video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.